this video we are going to be looking at numbering and bullets. So if I want to have this whole list numbered, then I can have a multi-level list where the grades are level 1, the names of the learners are level 2, and these little instructions here are level 3. Right, so let's go define a new multi-level list by going here and then here. Right, so level 1, we're going to define what it looks like here. So in gray, and the number style will appear here, that will change as it goes down the list. So it will be 1, 2, etc. It won't be static. So whatever is not in gray, like that for example, that will be always the same. So if you are doing a multi-level list manually, just know that when you are defining the new level, that go put your static number before the number that will be changing in gray. Right, but that for the first level is fine. Regular number 1, that's fine. I'm going to put a point behind it, full stop. I'm going to go to font and I'm going to make it bold as well. Right, so that's what that will look like. Then level 2. I don't like the Roman numerals, and in fact I'm going to erase this first because I want to go here where it says include level number from. So I want to include the number from level 1. So now it's gray, so it will adjust accordingly. It won't be static. Then I'm going to put a point, and then for this actual level I'm going to choose the numbers as well and put a point behind that. Right, so that's what it will look like. That looks good. Okay. Right, so we can move on to level 3. Now for level 3 I'm going to change it up a bit. Let's just first erase this again, and we want to include number from level 1, and then put a point behind that, and then include the number from level 2 as well, and then put a point behind that. But now for this third level I'm going to actually use the alphabet, the ABCs, and I'm going to put a nice little bracket behind it. Right, the indentation looks fine. Maybe we can decrease this one a little bit, the text indent. Actually no, let's increase it back and change the alignment of this maybe a little bit. Right, there we go. Okay, so click OK. Now this whole list has been changed to level 1. So all I need to do now is go and select from the margin, and using my control key on the keyboard, go and select all the ones that need to be level 2, like this. Right, there's another one, there's another one, there's another one, and then these two at the bottom. Right, so they all need to be level 2, so I'm going to simply click here and I'm going to say change level list to number 2, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose the third level, which is this one and this one, and these two as well. Change the level to number 3, and look at that. Because those numbers were gray, the numbering continues perfectly down the levels. It does exactly what it's supposed to. Now, say for example you wanted this level here not to be numbers, but you wanted it to be bullets. So, I mean, you can have a regular bulleted list, or you can have bullets included in your multi-level list as well. Let's quickly change these to bullets though, right? So I'm going to select them with the control key like this, right? And then I'm going to go to bullets, and then just simply change that to a bullet. You can also obviously define a new bullet, and then either choose a symbol, or you can go and choose a picture, right? So I have a nice picture of a little folder over here, so I'm going to insert that, and that replaces the bullet. So you go to picture, navigate to where you want to find the picture, and click OK, and that's changed. And that's it.